Hey boys and girls, today we're going to start putting our own data on our own graphs. And here I have a bar graph that is horizontal. So that means the bars are going to start here and come out this way. You also might have a graph that's vertical where the bars come this way. They're still both bar graphs and they still show information. So here I have a frequency table. And this tells me that Victoria's frequency is 2. And when I see tallies, I'm also going to write the number to help me out. Jake is 3. Lucas has a bundle of 5 and then 4 tallies, so that's 9. Anna has a bundle of 5 and then 1 tally, so that's 6. So it says students and number of pets. So I'm trying to think of a good title for my graph. And I'm thinking number of pets is a good title. So I'm going to put that on the top here. Okay, I have my categories as my students. So I would have a bar for Victoria, a bar for Jake, a bar for Lucas, and a bar for Anna. I'm just going to skip a space here. Okay. And then I'm going to have my data or my intervals up here. What is my graph going to count by? So I'm going to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could have done by 2s or by 5s or by 10s. However I want to do it. Victoria has 2. So I'm going to come up to 2 and color her bar in. Jake has 3. I'm going to go 1 more than Victoria. Lucas has 9. I'm going to come up to Lucas and draw my bar. And then we have Anna, who has 6. So now I have my data nice and represented on my bar graph, and now I can easily look at it and answer questions about it. Remember, this is a horizontal